From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
San Francisco Crab Bread Bowl. The bread bowl, a hollowed-out loaf of bread filled with soup, stew, or deepies, a creative and practical way to serve food. While its exact origins are unclear, the concept of using bread as an edible container dates back centuries. In the Middle Ages, people often ate meals from trencher stale, thick slices of bread that served as plates. After soaking up juices and sauces, these bread plates were either eaten or given to the poor. Many cultures used bread as a vessel for holding food, such as Middle Eastern pita pockets or Indian naan bread used to scoop up curries. The bread bowl as we know it today gained popularity in the United States in the late 20th century, particularly in San Francisco. The Boudin Bakery, famous for its sourdough bread, is often credited with popularizing the bread bowl by serving clam chowder inside a hollowed-out sourdough loaf. This became an iconic dish at Fisherman's Wharf. In the 1990s and 2000s, restaurants like Panera Bread and Au Bon Pain helped spread the trend nationwide, offering bread bowls filled with soups like broccoli, cheddar, or creamy tomato. Why bread bowls? Practicality. They reduce waste, the bowl is edible. Flavor. The bread soaks up the soup, enhancing the eating experience. Novelty. They make meals more fun and visually appealing. Today, bread bowls remain a beloved comfort food, enjoyed in many variations worldwide, from cheesy fondue in Switzerland to spicy chili in the American South.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.